that will smooth out again after I have finished blowing the product with the heat gun. It just will settle out and level. So we're getting the second board done here. Again, with pushing the product out into the glue, creating that depth. And then just do it again until I'm happy with what it looks like. And then once it's finished, then I have a small torch, and I use the torch to go over top of the whole resin area. This does two things. One, it takes out any other tiny bubbles that are there from the stirring or the mixing of the